Aloe vera, often referred to as the wonder plant, has captivated the curiosity of many seeking natural solutions for skin health. Have you ever wondered how this succulent can transform your skincare routine and contribute to a glowing complexion? Rich in vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds, aloe vera serves as an effective ally against wrinkles and promotes overall skin vitality. In this video, we will explore the benefits, applications, and scientific backing for utilizing aloe vera in your daily skincare regimen. Aloe vera contains a wealth of nutrients that contribute to its effectiveness in skincare. Key components include vitamins A, C, and E, which act as antioxidants, warding off damage caused by free radicals. Research demonstrates that these vitamins facilitate skin repair and rejuvenation. Furthermore, aloe vera is rich in polysaccharides and glycoproteins, which provide hydration and essential structural support to the skin, helping to maintain elasticity, all crucial factors in preventing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To utilize aloe vera effectively, begin by extracting gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf. This gel can be applied directly to the skin. First, cleanse your face thoroughly to remove impurities. Then, using clean hands, gently massage the aloe vera gel onto your face in circular motions. Allow it to absorb for about 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This simple yet effective method not only nourishes your skin, but also helps with its regeneration. For optimal results, consider using aloe vera consistently, incorporating it into your nightly skincare routine. In addition to its topical applications, aloe vera offers an array of internal benefits that enhance overall well-being. Consuming aloe vera juice can aid digestion and detoxification, contributing to healthier skin from within. The anti-inflammatory properties of aloe vera further support the body's immune response, helping to combat skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Research indicates that incorporating aloe into your diet may boost your skin's radiance by promoting cellular regeneration. Transitioning from topical to internal benefits reveals how interconnected our health is with our skin. As you implement aloe vera into your skincare and dietary practices, remember the consistent theme: holistic care. It's not just about applying a product, it's about fostering an environment where your skin can thrive. As you embark on this aloe vera journey, consider the many ways your skin and body can benefit. The use of aloe vera is backed by centuries of traditional wisdom and modern research alike, underscoring its legitimacy in skincare routines. So, the next time you ponder the best remedies for a vibrant complexion, let the versatility of aloe vera fuel your curiosity and inspire your natural skincare rituals. In conclusion, aloe vera is more than just a plant. It's a multifaceted solution for those eager to enhance their skin's health. By understanding its properties and benefits, both internal and external, you can harness its powers for glowing skin and reduced wrinkles. Why not make aloe vera a staple in your self-care repertoire? Engaging with nature's offerings could be the key to your skincare success. Incorporate these techniques and insights into your daily life and prepare to witness the transformative effects of aloe vera for yourself. Please comment, share, and subscribe for more health